Hello guys, in this video we are going to navigate on how to split PDF files. Okay, we can split PDF files into so many pages. It's up to you to know which page you want to split to. Okay, so this is ilovepdf.com. This website has most of the options to do with your PDF, to do with your Word document, with your image and other stuff, okay? So you have a PDF with so many pages that you want to split. This is the easiest steps, okay? So what you do is that you click on the select PDF option here on the red bar. Then you go to your folder to select your files, okay? So this is our file, Handbook Battery Energy Storage System. Let's use this as our file. Then we open that. Then it comes on the split PDF file tool here. Okay. Now, what can you do with this? This PDF has 94 pages. What you do is that you go to the settings on the right-hand side here. Okay, the settings here. Then you click on that. So here you have options to do with your PDF file. Now you can click on the split by range. Okay, let's click on split by range. When we click on split by range, we can then specify which range we want to split the PDF. Remember that this PDF has 94 pages, okay? So assuming we want to split from page 80 to page 94, that means that we are more interested in pages 80 to 94. So the moment you click split, then it is going to give you the splitted version. For example, let's click on split. Remember that our range is 80 to 94. That means we want the PDF which starts with 80 to 94, page 80 to 94. So we click split. Then when you do that, you can get the options to download. So you click on download, then it's downloaded here. We go to our folder. So this is not the downloaded version, okay? Now we have the page, okay? We split it from page 80 to 94, okay? All right. Now, once again, we can go back to the tool, then we use different options. We select our file again or any other file. Then in this case, this is our file. We click on it. Now this file that we have is from page 1 to 15, okay? We can go to settings. Then instead of using the split by range, we can use extract pages on the right, extract pages. So you can then select the pages that you want to extract. So you can click on select pages. So in this case, if you click on select pages, then you have all your pages here from 1 to 15. So you can click on the ones that you want to select. So let's say we are interested in page 1. We click on page 1, page 6. We are interested in page 13 and then 14. These are the PDF pages that we are interested in. So we can split to get these pages to be extracted. So we can click on split PDF. Then the file will be ready. We can download it then. Okay, then it becomes downloaded.